Hello everyone, in this video we will try to solve the error in the scan patterns with alert. Indicator we published on TradingView. The reason for this error is that TradingView is not receiving data from coins that were delisted on Binance. First, let's add our indicator to our chart. Under Indicators, under Invite-Only Access, let's enter CryptoPay. Scan patterns with alert indicator. Our indicator has been added to our chart from here. Let's go to Settings, let's select List 2, let's activate some patterns here. As you can see, it gave us one warning here, invalid symbol, data for this coin. It gives us an error that data cannot be retrieved. Let's see how we can solve this error. Again, let's go to Settings, press Ctrl F and search for the coin with the error. As you can see, our coin came here. Let's select and delete all of them then. Let's say OK and save it. Let's wait a little. As you can see, our error has disappeared. Our table has come here, and you can also if you get an error, if you delete the coin with the error from the settings section, your error will disappear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.